Yo, how are we guys?
Hey.
Hey. So we've all met Mukesh before. He drives that 86 down there, which we did the exhaust installation on. And this is a new face of the channel.
Hey guys.
Andrew, what do you drive?
A bit of a dirty Subaru.
A dirty Subaru Liberty. Symmetrical all-wheel drive.
That's it.
Boxer engine. Can't go wrong with it. Anyways, so these boys know that I got a new car, but they don't know what I got. So we're gonna hazard some guesses here. Mukesh, what do you reckon it is?
Potentially a Colt Rally Art.
Colt Rally Art.
But yeah.
Look, I'm gonna go exactly the same. Colt Rally
Any
Art.
reasons why? A Colt Rally Art.
That sneaky picture you sent us
Yeah.
of the wheels.
It had the Mitsubishi emblem on it.
Yes.
But he does always talk about 90s turbocharged wheels.
Yeah, so we have multiple guesses, but
What would your second guess be?
some sort of coupe.
Is there a GTO, Mitsubishi GTO? Is that a thing?
That's a thing, yeah. Could be. A bit warm,
Oh wow!
Four-wheel drive.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, this is nice ass.
Thanks, man. We'll get it out, but yeah. So Mukesh, you were the closest with your Legnum guess.
Yeah.
But I think you forgot that these were actually turbocharged.
Yeah, I did.
V6 twin turbo.
Dude, it looks like an Evo V.
Yeah.
It's like, honestly, to me, it reminds me more of a Chaser. Like, is it?
At start, it looked like Chase up and down low.
It's because it's massive. Like the Evo's smaller than this.
Yeah.
But it's got like that Japanese muscle look to it. Ooh.
Dude, I love this bus. It's so aggressive.
It's so aggressive, right?
So aggressive.
That's so close. Yeah, I haven't I've barely driven this. I haven't learned the heel toe on these pedals. They're a bit tight. But...
Bro!
What do you guys think?
What? Alright.
So what did you think of the Galant?
Dude, I love it.
Yeah? You're a fan?
Big fan.
Oh, I'm glad, man. You guys are like the first to be in it.
Very honoured.
Proper christened. His like little fog brake light, that's so cool. I love that. No, yeah, I like that it's not too loud. I'm glad it's not like the Integra where it just like got like a hole in the exhaust and it's just like
This is embarrassing.
It's not. Andy's gonna show us. So in his own words, some NA power after the Galant. Here we go. Oh shit! Oh!
It's probably still faster than mine.
No way.
No, my car's slow.
How, this is 2 liters, right? Or 2.5?
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah, you got it.
So that's the same as the Galant. There you go.
Except missing 2 turbos and 2 cylinders.
Yeah. What did you think of the pull, Mukesh?
In this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you have kids someday, this will be perfect for picking. Oh!
Andrew's prepared.
Oh shit! Oh, hell yeah! Oh damn! Hey, I love it, bro. I forgot what this car felt like. It's so cozy.
It is cozy.
It is.
That's a good description. Not fast.
Seats are comfy.
Yeah. So it's like a really it's a good word to describe it. Comfy. But when he gets his next car, a Golf R,
Oh, we'll see.
it's still gonna be comfy because it's Andrew. How long have you had this for, Andy?
This has been 4 years.
4 years.
Oh, yeah, 4 years.
I remember when you first got this. Exciting
Back in the
times.
day,
Back
yeah.
in the day. Even bought some muffler deletes for it. But then you decided to grow up.
I did.
Grow up a bit. 4 years.
I
is
miss
all.
them though.
I miss them too,
They were
man.
good fun.
The double air freshener mod. That's also a good one.
I didn't even realise I had these on there. How old are they? I don't know. They didn't smell like anything.
Wow, that looks good. What do you reckon, Andy?
Keen. Juicy.
That's a fat stack. Whoops. Thank you, cheers.
Just went silent.
Potato gems and some chicken wings. We're eating good tonight, boys. And there you have it, some ancient footage of Andrew and Mukesh reacting to the Galant and us basically hanging out, grabbing a feed. I didn't upload this footage for a while, but I actually really enjoyed watching reaction videos of other people's cars, so I thought you guys might enjoy this too. And I'm glad Andrew, Mukesh and I could chill and catch up, and they got to see the Galant. So stay tuned, make sure you've liked, commented and subscribed because there is plenty more Galant content coming. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you